Hello, in front of me I've got Canyon gaming keyboard. In this video I'll show you device preview. The Canyon Gaming CND, also known as Fortnax, is wireless membrane gaming keyboard designed for versatile use in gaming and productivity. It supports three connection modes: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, wireless, and wired USB, for flexibility across PC, tablet or phone. The keyboard features soft membrane keys with NKRO for precise, comfortable typing and 10 million keystroke lifespan. A splash-proof design protects against minor spills. The keyboard has RGB backlight that offers 10 customizable modes for ambience during gaming or work. It includes built-in 2000 mAh battery for extended sessions without frequent charging. To sum up, the keyboard is wireless with full-size membrane keys. It supports Bluetooth on 2 channels, 2.4 GHz and wired connection. It has RGB backlight with 10 modes and 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. The key lifespan is 10 million clicks. It has splash-proof system and NKRO rollover. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.